What if I told you the secret to getting rid of moles in your yard? Costs almost nothing, takes 2 minutes, and uses something as simple as a cotton ball? No traps, no poison, no digging up your lawn. Just one small trick that moles absolutely hate, and once you try it, you might never deal with those annoying molehills again. Moles and other burrowing pests can turn a perfect lawn into a mess overnight. Those tunnels and molehills, they're not just ugly, they can damage roots and ruin your garden. But today I'll show you a simple DIY remedy that uses scent to drive them away naturally. Moles have an incredibly strong sense of smell. It's how they navigate underground and find food. So instead of trying to catch them, we're going to overwhelm their senses with smells they can't stand, forcing them to leave your yard on their own. Here's what you'll need: a few cotton balls, white vinegar, peppermint oil, or eucalyptus oil works too, a little cayenne pepper or chili powder, and an optional substance, a bit of garlic juice or crushed garlic. These are all strong, natural scents that moles and rodents avoid. In a small bowl, mix about half a cup of vinegar with 10 to 15 drops of peppermint oil. Then add a pinch of cayenne pepper and stir it up. You can add some garlic as well if you have some. Finally, take your cotton balls and soak them in the mixture until they're fully saturated. Now here's how to apply them. Find the freshest molehills. Those are your active tunnels. Use a stick or a pencil to poke down through the hill and open the tunnel beneath. Drop one soaked cotton ball in, then seal the hole back up with some soil. You want to trap that scent underground where the moles actually are. Do this to every active hill you can find. For a really persistent infestation, place cotton balls every 3 to 4 meters along the visible tunnel runs as well. Within a day or two, the strong smell spreads through the tunnels. Moles hate it, and instead of sticking around, they'll move somewhere else. For best results, reapply every few days or after heavy rain. Simple, cheap, and surprisingly effective. This works on voles, shrews, and other burrowing rodents too, not just moles. Give it a try and let me know if your yard goes mole-free. And if you want more easy DIY home and garden hacks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one on Make This Trap Once and Never Deal with Mosquitoes Again.